Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to convert a table into matrix in Power BI. So first I will show my Excel sheet data. So this is my Excel sheet data related to coronavirus first wave. You see the dates here from January 1st, 2020 to August 6th, 2020. So this is completely related to first wave of the coronavirus. So date and name of the state or union territory, total confirmed cases, deaths, all these things are details are there in the sheet. Now I want to load the first this sheet into Power BI desktop. Okay. So get started and connect with Excel workbook. So it asks to get the location. This is my Excel sheet, national COVID-19 data. Now it is getting loaded. See, in the Excel sheet, I have only one sheet. Sheet name is complete. This is the sheet name. Okay. If you want to get the data, you just check this sheet. So here the preview is evaluating. In the down you can see three options: load, transform data, and cancel. If you want to clean any data, if you want to change any modifications in the columns and rows, then you can use the transform data. Now I am directly load the data. Yeah. The total number of rows are 4691 rows are loaded. Yes. So build visuals with your data. So that means data is loaded. If you check the right side, this pen, data pen, you just expand this one. So you see different columns, different column names in the Excel sheet what I shown earlier. So date, death, name of the state, new cases, everything is there. You want to load the data into table tool. So here there is one table here. Just double click here. You see table has been created. And you see in the down columns. So what are the columns you want? You just drag those columns into this columns field. So first I am taking the date. So date by default will take year, quarter, month and day. Everything will come. See here. So it is getting loaded. So I will put this in focus mode. See. In the data I checked, just check the date column here. Date column will get year, quarter, month and day. See. So all these are related to 2020 2020 quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 everything. But here we want only quarter. I don't want date. I don't want day, month, and year. I want just quarter. For that, you can remove the remaining fields, month and day also. Now you find just quarter. Okay, this is one column. Now I want to drag. Next one is name of the state or union territory. Second column. Okay, please click on that checkbox. Now it can be loaded. See here. So all 36 states and 36 states and the union territories names are available here. But you can see here quarter one, all these comes to quarter one. Again it is repeated to quarter two. The names of the states and union territories are repeated because of having the three quarters. Because of having three quarters, all these things are repeated. Now my third column is deaths, sum of deaths. See here, in Delhi in first quarter, it is 22 deaths are there. Coming to second quarter in Delhi, it is 49,243. So like this, you can analyze, you can do your analysis using the quarter field. So these three columns I want now. So now our intention is to convert this table into matrix. Okay, first of all, what is matrix? So matrix is one of the tool. It is similar to the table. So when your table is repeated values, that means it allows a duplicate values. So here you found quarter one as repeated, even name of the states and unit is also repeated. But in matrix, it can easier to display data meaningfully. So matrix will allow multiple dimensions. Okay, so here table can allow only two dimensions, but matrix will allow multiple dimensions. Apart from that, so matrix is, it is a visualization tool that display the data in grid format. Okay, now in the visualizations icons you can see this is table and this is matrix. Just beside table you can see matrix here, and select this here, double click on matrix. So whatever the data that is there in the Excel sheet, now I'm back to the Excel sheet here. Sorry, table. So here total number of deaths are for all 3 quarters. Total number of deaths comes to 13,66,398 are the total number of deaths. When I click the matrix here, so here there are only 3 columns: quarter, name of the state, and sum of the deaths. So in the quarter there are duplicate values. That means quarter one repeated, quarter two repeated, quarter three repeated. Even states also repeated. When it comes to matrix, so just click on matrix. The table data will be converted into just like pivot table in the Excel sheet. See, now here you can see only three rows are there: quarter one, quarter two, total, quarter three, total. So here state wise, all these states are display horizontal form. See, now you can see your in quarter one the number of deaths are 202. In quarter two, 4,07,000. In quarter three, 9,58,000. So total number of deaths comes to 13 lakhs. These are related to quarter wise deaths. Okay. So I just use the one table. I just created one table with required columns: date, death, and name of the state. So by using the same table, you can also create matrix without taking the data separately. So just click on the matrix and analyze your analysis. So this is how you need to change the table data into matrix using Power BI. Hope this video helpful how to convert your table data into matrix. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.